everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. Today I'm going to review about mask pack. The full name of the mask pack is Xyra the Red Intense Red Ampule for Private Care. The box is white and red. It seems rather medical and professional. The box contains 5 pieces and each piece contains 25 ml of solution, and the full package is 20,000 Korean won. It means one sheet mask is 4,000 Korean won. This is a little bit higher price. Sheet masks are around 1 and 2,000 Korean won. If the sheet mask is a little bit more expensive, 3 or 4, it means it's a higher quality sheet mask. The sheet is really soft, and because of that it causes no irritation to the skin. The sheet doesn't dry easily because this sheet mask is a little bit more massive, a little bit more thick. If you open the pack, you can find 2 layers. One of the layer is the facial sheet mask itself, but the other layer is a protective sheet. This will help the facial sheet to capture more essence, more moisture, and because of this it is easier to apply it onto the face. Usually sheet masks are enriched with essence, but this sheet mask is enriched with ampule. It means it's more concentrated, more enriched, and therefore it's more effective as well. Because of this, you can experience better nourishment. This product is made in Korea and the ingredients are especially from Jeju Island. The main ingredients are tea tree, Centella asiatica, and fermented components such as Jeju barley red yeast. You can experience more effects such as soothing, hydrating, balancing the moisture barrier, a better oil and water balance. It will improve the skin condition, strengthen the skin barrier, and after a few usage you can experience a smoother skin texture. But the main purpose of this product is treble care. My skin condition is normal, it's not dehydrated nor dry, although I have a little bit of oily T-zone, but unfortunately sometimes I also experience acne and pimples, so I usually search for products that will help soothing this. And nowadays I am using this sheet mask every single day, and I definitely feel that my skin condition is better than before. I didn't experience new acne or new pimple. And the ones that I had before started to disappear and they are getting more and more smooth. So about this, I definitely have a positive experience. So now how to use this product. This product is really similar to every other sheet mask. You need to cleanse your skin and apply on some toner, although this sheet mask will also balance your pH levels, so it's not necessary, but I prefer to apply on some toner and essence first, and after that you need to open the pack and remove this protective layer from this sheet mask, and you just apply on the sheet mask onto your face. You need to wait about 15 to 20 minutes, it depends on your skin condition. If you had a really dry skin, dehydrated skin, then this essence or ampule from this sheet mask will soak into your skin faster, but if you have a normal or a little bit oily skin, this essence will soak a little bit slower in my experience, so that time you need to wait about 20 minutes. After you remove the sheet mask from your face, you need to tap the solution into the skin if there is any left, and you need to apply on a cream so it will seal everything in. What I experienced about this sheet mask is that it's really easy to apply it on, and after I applied it on, it will not move. The shape of this sheet mask is fitting to my face really well, although the nose area is a little bit too small for me. I also noticed that unlike other sheet masks that could be a little bit slimy or sticky, especially after you remove it from your skin feels a little bit sticky and a little bit heavy, but this sheet mask is not slimy and not sticky at all. It feels really lightweight, so after you remove this sheet mask, the skin is rather soft, and because it have a really good soothing feeling, and especially when I have some breakouts on my skin, I prefer to use it in the morning before I apply on the makeup. If you have dehydrated skin, you should use about 2 or 3 times a week, but if you have active acne and troubles and skin irritation, I think you should use it every single day for about 1 or 2 weeks. When I started using it, I also had some active troubles on my skin, and I was using this mask for 1 straight week, and after this 1 week all these burrs disappeared from my skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye!